CNC XChange performs G-code conversion using a mix of source code conversions and user-defined conversions. Standard G-code is converted automatically through definitions written into the source code of the software. This means for items like industry standard G-code and CAN cycles, CNC XChange will perform these conversions all automatically with no user configuration required. However, we all know that CNC controls can vary significantly and can include tons of non-industry standard code, like M functions. M functions are created by the machine tool builder and will vary from builder to builder. CNC XChange gives user the ability to configure and include these codes in the conversion process through what is referred to as user option files. User options are created using the user option editor in CNC XChange. If no previously created user option file has been loaded, opening the editor will give the user a blank slate, otherwise the previously configured options will be displayed. The main screen is divided into 4 sections. Upper left options will all be executed during the main conversion process along with all the source code conversions. Each area can contain an unlimited number of options, making this user options feature extremely complete and powerful. Top right options will be executed at the absolute end of the conversion process. Any lingering or straggling conversions can be configured in this section. Bottom left are what's called complete line replacement options. Here users can define trigger codes and replacement lines. When the trigger code is found during the conversion process, the current complete line in the program will be replaced with the user-defined replacement line. Bottom right can be defined as pre-conversion options. These will be executed before the main conversion process takes place. A powerful feature that comes to full light when using CNC XChange is that all options are executed in the order in which they are entered. Once understood fully, this feature makes the user options extremely powerful and gives them unlimited power and flexibility. In addition, the user can create an unlimited number of user options files, and can simply select the one desired when conversions are required. This allows CNC XChange to be used for any number of different machines and any number of different conversion scenarios. Additional pre-defined conversion options can be configured using the buttons on the right of the screen. Again, anything configured here along with all user-defined options will all get executed during the single conversion process. Certain codes can be configured in the code splitting options, and these codes will be removed from existing lines of code and placed on a line by themselves during the conversion. Letter addresses can be configured in the decimal conversion options and can be configured to add or remove decimal points from that letter address during the conversion. When converting Fanuc code to Okuma code, users have multiple tool change configurations that can be employed for both milling and turning code. Okuma auto chamfering code in turning G code can also be configured so that the conversion will contain Fanuc auto chamfering code. This conversion can be configured to output the Fanuc shorthand or have the code converted to longhand G code output. The live tool options give the user tons of flexibility to configure CNC XChange to not only convert the standard 2-axis turning G code, but also programming that contains live tool and Y-axis code for multi-axis turning centers. Created from years of experience, the multitude of various options cover all scenarios for any make and model of CNC turning centers and controls. CNC XChange also contains multiple options to employ when converting FODL G code to Okuma OSP code. Although Haas G code is basically 100% Fanuc compatible, they do have some specific options, and these conversions can be configured using the Haas option configuration. For milling G code that contain 4-axis programming, some specific 4-axis conversion options can also be configured. CNC Inc. offers customizations to clients who require unique and specific code conversion options that don't fit into the standard CNC XChange configurations. These are available under the custom options. Contact CNC Inc. if you have a specific requirement. Please visit www.kipware.com for more information on CNC XChange, or visit our YouTube channel at KT Software. Thank you for reviewing Kipware CNC XChange.